This is a rotor off of a Ford Taurus, 5 holes. This will be, I'll use this for an example. Okay, so let's do the 5-hole one first. Measure from the center of that hole to the center of that hole. I got 2.498. So I'm going to put that in the calculator. Okay. Divide by 2. Times 1 divided by, gotta pull this thing down here, sine, that was in view, sine 144, and that's your radius, 2.1249. So measuring is not entirely accurate. Being a rotor off of a Ford, I would imagine the actual radius would be 2.125. Now for the diameter, that's actually what this just gave us is the radius from the center of the circle to the center of each hole is 2.1249. Okay, so we found the radius, and just double that if you want the diameter. Now let's do the 3 holes. Okay, so let's say you got 3 inches, right? Push 3. Divide by 2 times 1 divided by sine 120 degrees equals, and there's your radius, 1.73 inches. It's from the center of the circle to the center of all of the holes would be the same. Now, for 5 holes we plugged in 144 degrees, and that's because right here, from, this should have been straight. This should have been a straight line. I didn't draw it very good. But from here to here is 144 degrees. 144 degrees. And from, let's draw this line, and from here to here is 120 degrees. All right, that's how we got that. So 360 degrees divided by 3 is 120, and 360 degrees divided by 5 is 72. All right, so each hole is 72 degrees around the circle, so you have 72, and you have 72 again. All right, so that's 144 degrees. All right, and the reason it works is because this is a triangle right here. You could have also used 36 degrees right here. That's 36 degrees. You could plug that in, but it doesn't matter. It'll come up the same answer.